All right, everybody, we're here in Arizona for the last day that I'm here, and we're gonna meet up and record some stuff. So I have one more day left on my Arizona trip. So just got together with some friends here and we're gonna cruise the Tortilla Flat again. It's like some canyon roads, and we're gonna meet up with one of Matt's friend. I think she has a 86. So this was just kind of unplanned. So let's just see where it goes, and it should be a fun time. So we got the GSF, the MR2, and the 86 or BRZ FRS, you know.
Howdy.
How's it going?
What's up?
That's a big win. So we're here with April in her Subaru BRZ. We just randomly jumped in and we're going on the canyons in Arizona. And what year is this car?
This is a 2014 BRZ. And it's track setup. It's got coils, headers, exhaust, no turbo yet. Yeah, we love these back roads. It's like great track training, I guess. We're also on some bald tires, so stay tuned for exciting events.
Yay, can't wait. In the cold, on the canyons. So I came here in the last video and it was really fun. Came with some Lexus owners, and now we're here in a Subaru BRZ. Sorry, it's probably loud, but this is part of the experience. It's just an awesome view out here, and this car's handling really well. I actually used to have a BRZ. I never really did stuff with it on my channel. So for anybody watching, this car like handles really well. Like I had one, and I know it does, even stock. But of course this one's very modified, so it's gonna handle even better. We're just like going around these turns effortlessly. Practice here.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we get in trouble sometimes, but
I'm sure.
Gotta pay the toll to rock and roll.
I like that. That's a good one.
You gotta risk it to get the biscuit.
This thing's pretty quick and like responsive.
Yeah, it's decent. These tires are really limiting me.
It's like, is this real?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing this has headers, full exhaust.
Yeah,
right?
Headers, full exhaust, and like an air intake. And that's really it. It's just such a purist car, you know? You can really get away with not doing much. It only makes, I think, 150 horsepower. So the wheels, it's nothing, but it just handles so efficiently that you can actually do amazing things with it once you get it lower than stock suspension.
Yeah, it is a pretty fun car. That's what I noticed about mine when I owned it, and now like you're seeing it modified, it just drives so well.
Yeah.
You have 93,000 miles. Wow.
Hell yeah. I daily drive this. I believe in daily the race car. You're never gonna know what's wrong with it unless you drive it every day. You need that comfort level with your race car.
so we made it to what I guess is the top of the canyon, and we have the BRZ here, as you can see, set up. It's kind of like Toyota lineup in a way. It's like Subaru slash Toyota, Lexus, which is Toyota. So yeah, we're at the top of the canyon and just looks absolutely awesome out here. Wish it wasn't so dark, but yeah, we had a fun ride up here with April in her BRZ. Maybe I can drive it on the way down. Let's see.
Yeah.
Go sideways, obviously, because you're low. Oh, usually like this way, that way, this way. It's like pretty tight.
Yeah.
I remember this car now. Like I remember the feeling like this transmission.
Yes.
Here's a stock, right?
Oh yeah. Yep.
It's awesome.
Only a throwout bearing replaced.
Nice.
As usual.
Yeah.
It's real sketch if you don't know it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do this.
Second gear is good and just guide through it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of like go at this speed through
Perfect.
Here we go.
That's spun on this last time, that's why.
You did?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's scary.
Yeah. Where the saloon is. Oh, you can smell that Honda.
You wanna be my driving instructor? That'd be awesome.
This is my this section. Oh, I love it. It's so good. Easy, yeah, perfect.
Lines here. I know you're not supposed to downshift in turns, but oh well.
You can when the person in front of you is going slow.
The torque range is so different on this car.
Yeah.
That was kind of like the big selling point of it.
Yeah. It'll hold. Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely holds. Your tires are better than I thought.
If it's burning oil, it's got oil.
Yeah. There we go. It's probably on the entrance, the dip.
Yeah, it is. I think the other
How low
one
is your
worse.
splitter?
It's fine. You're good. Straight on this one. The other one, you have to take it a little bit of a...
There we go. It's definitely attractive.
Very nice.
Yes.
Good.
That was really fun.
We thought nothing happened, but actually when I was leaving that parking lot, it made the bumper pop off. Not a huge deal. It did end up popping back in the next day from what she told me, but I still felt really bad for, you know, breaking her car. I did offer to pay for it. It was my fault, but hey, at the end of the day, everything was okay. The car was okay. Nobody died. Nobody crashed. So a big thanks to April for letting me drive her car.
And now we're in the MR2, switching it up. Oh, nice. That was awesome. This is the 91 Toyota MR2. Out here in the canyons in Arizona, pretty awesome. This thing moves. Whoa!
You're not supposed to ever go to center line. People do it all the time for some stupid reason.
right, and we are back home here in Pennsylvania. Thanks to everybody for the experience in Arizona. I had a really fun time. Really glad I got to go to Lexus F Day, which if you missed it, it was a video right before this one. And also ride along in the canyons and also drive a car in the canyons. Thank you, April. And thank you to Matt for having me along in the MR2. Super fun experience. I had a great time, but I am glad to be home. But I miss the Arizona weather. It's like 30s here and it's not fun because winter in Pennsylvania. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. There's always more stuff coming, especially for the Camaro and 4Runner. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, keep those wheels turning.